Hey, welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how to get a higher score in Subway Surfer. So the first step is to save up as many skateboards as you can. So if you get hit or stuck somewhere, you get another chance. So right now, I'm going to use my skateboard to avoid dying. That's the first step, and then the second step is you want to watch as many ads as possible to get second chances out. But after the skateboards, if you get caught up like I did just now, right now, you see. So I used my skateboard so I can die. Now I didn't have a skateboard, so I died. So I have to watch an ad. So as you guys can see, I'm watching this ad. Just cross it out and just get a second chance. I have 68 skateboards. And my next advice is to use the boost. As you guys can see, I use the boost. I'm at 46,000. So you'll see how far we can get in this video. My highest score was 571,000. I'll show you guys after this round is over, but let's see how far I can go. Alright, so we're at 64,000. $71,000. We're at 71,000. Alright. So that's how you increase your score fast. And if you need to use the keys, try to save up as many as them. I recommend up to 60. So then you can use couple to get a couple of chances. But if you keep dying, then it's just good to end it and get these booster packs just to boost your score and get the gold. I have over 700,000, almost 700,000 or more in gold. We'll be at 100k right now. I hope this advice, this video helps you guys out. So basically, you wanna get the boots to jump higher and use the skateboards as many as you can, as you need, so you don't die when you hit something. And use the score boost to boost your score. And get the U so you can collect as many gold as possible. So we're at 100,000. As you guys can see, that was pretty quick. That's how you double your score. I missed the boot there. That's how you double your score fast on Subway Surfer. Alright. So they're continuing this round till I die. So I can show you guys my score. Oh, there we go. This is my highest score, 571,196. And yeah, claim these 3 rewards as possible so you get what you need. I have 700,000 gold and That's how you get a high score in Subway Surfer.